The DJI Mini 4K drone is a lightweight yet powerful drone designed for beginners and hobbyists who want professional quality footage without the hassle of registration. At under 249 grams, it avoids Federal Aviation Administration requirements for recreational use, making it easy to take anywhere. Equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures cinematic shots with stability, even in low light. With a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers and an extended battery life of up to 31 minutes, users can explore wide landscapes and record longer sessions. The brushless motors and resistance to winds up to 38 kilometers per hour add reliability for flights at higher altitudes. Ease of use is another strong point. The DJI Mini offers one-tap takeoff, landing, and GPS return to home, all supported by stable hovering technology. Intelligent quickshots like Drone, Helix, and Boomerang allow even beginners to produce stunning videos with minimal effort. The package includes the drone, one battery, and a controller, with additional battery options for longer flight sessions. Downloading the DJI Fly app directly from DJI ensures users can unlock all features and learning resources. However, the absence of object collision sensors could be a downside for new pilots, as it requires careful navigation in tight or obstacle-filled spaces. Despite that, the DJI Mini 4K drone strikes a perfect balance between affordability, portability, and performance. Overall, it is an excellent choice for beginners or casual drone users who want to capture breathtaking aerial footage with ease.
The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a powerful yet compact drone designed for beginners and experienced users alike. Weighing under 249 grams with the standard battery, it does not require registration for recreational flying, making it highly convenient for travelers. The package includes 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus units, offering up to 135 minutes of total flight time. The RC2 controller provides precise handling, and the bright built-in display ensures seamless control in outdoor environments. This drone stands out for its advanced camera system, capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second with HDR. The results are colorful and well-detailed, even in low-light scenes like sunrise or night skies.
Omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances flight safety, allowing users to fly confidently in various conditions. The 20 kilometers FHD video transmission delivers real-time aerial views without lag, which is essential for long-distance flights and professional quality recordings. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a complete and premium flying experience. With extended battery life, advanced obstacle sensing, high-quality visuals, and intelligent tracking, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy safe, long, and immersive aerial adventures.